Hey guys, and welcome back to ZT Global for another video. Today we're talking about Tezos or XTZ. It is a fantastic blockchain network out there and they're focusing quite a lot on marketing. So let me show you what they're doing. First and foremost, for those of you that watch Formula One or are fans of it, well, they sponsor McLaren, they sponsor Red Bull. You can see them pretty much anywhere. Like if you check the actual formula, you can see Tezos right here. And it's a very important thing to notice when cryptos out there are spending a lot of money on marketing, because marketing is very important for growth. Now, we're going to start off with the technicals right now, and then we're going to move on into the actual website, talk a little bit about what Tezos actually is, what they provide for the blockchain world, and by the way, they're the official blockchain of Manchester United, another tremendous marketing move. Now, when it comes to the technicals, well, there is a lot of things that we can see on the chart right here, but the one that stands out for me is the fact that we did break out of this downtrend line very recently. So we had a nice downtrend and we have a little support right here. And basically we broke the previous lower high. As you can see, generally everything is moving in sort of a lower high and lower low fashion. It's not too clean at some points, but you know, you can notice a downtrend pretty easily. So if you want to be concrete about it, you can see a lower high, lower low, lower high, right? Lower low, lower high, and then another lower low, lower high. Well, this high is kind of higher than this one, but you get the gist of it. We're moving in a downtrend, and right now we broke the previous lower high and we made a higher high and a higher low. So what does that mean? It means that we could potentially be looking at a nice impulse towards the upside. Now, my first target would be the high created just now, since it is at a strong zone of resistance, which you can notice right here. I mean, you can pretty much see that price is rebounding off this zone quite a lot in the past. Once here, twice here, once here, and you catch the gist of it, right? So when it comes to Tezos, my bullish prediction is around the $4 mark in the near term. And if we do break out towards the downside, we will find a strong zone of support around the $2.3 mark. So Tezos, you're wondering what exactly this is, but before we do get into it, make sure to check out ZT Global. If you want to actually purchase Tezos, just type in XTZ. You can find the bearish positions, the bullish positions if you want to trade with leverage, and also you have the actual XTZ USDT token. You can see the chart itself, you can see the order book, you can see the market trades, and if you log in, you can press this big green button and buy some, or the big red button and sell some for yourself. Now, when it comes to Tezos, they are a blockchain designed to evolve. They will be out on the block space SXSW in 2022. I do recommend you check that out as well. They did redesign their website recently, and basically it's very focused on security and providing quite a lot of features to users and builders out there. So some of the things that quite a lot of blockchains out there are talking about is, first of all, security. Now, Tezos is designed to provide this with an institutional level. So basically anything on their blockchain will be completely secure. For those of you building, for those of you using it, for those of you making transactions, it is all completely secure. Now, you do have governance by the people as well, which means that everybody who owns the token can participate in the DAO of Tezos itself. Now, it's not a DAO itself, but it is a governance mechanism, which is a good thing because people can vote on what's going to happen in the future. Now, also we have that it is an energy efficient algorithm. So instead of using proof of work such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, now you guys may know that Ethereum is transitioning to proof of stake in more recent times, but Tezos uses proof of stake and it requires significantly less energy and cost to operate, which is also a benefit. Now, if you're asking when will Ethereum reach this, well, they keep pushing it back. So at this point, we don't know, but if they don't finish until the end of 2022, it's probably not going to be a very good thing for ETH, right? Also, smart contracts. So it's one of the leading smart contracts proof of stake blockchains, which means that they do have a lot of different ways to provide validity, and it's just a lot of technical stuff. But what you need to know is that they are a fantastic blockchain network that works very fast, seamlessly, forklessly, and it is very upgradable. So you don't need forks to upgrade it, you can just upgrade it very nicely. And also it is powerfully scalable, which is a very important thing in the blockchain world. Scalability means that, you know, on a large amount of people, it will not bottleneck and the network will work as designed. Smart contracts, smart governance, smart design, official blockchain of Manchester United as well. A lot of money spent in marketing itself. So I do expect this coin to at some point, you know, continue moving in a bullish fashion, but the market has been kind of weird recently. And one more thing that I like you to notice, so if we remove pretty much everything from the chart and if we head on over to the weekly time frame, You can see quite a nice and steady increase in price ever since Tezos was incepted. So as you can see right here, we have a huge support where at the start, you found support around the $1 mark, and then buyers were stepping in around the $1.6 mark, and then you see buyers stepping in around the $2.2 mark, and they're getting more and more aggressive, which is a good thing for the token itself. Now, on the weekly time frame, we do unfortunately see a bearish engulfing candle right here, but I guess we're gonna have to wait and see what happens in the near future. Some of the zones that you should be taking care of are, well, first of all, this one, as I plotted out before, quite an important one. So if we do break out above this, I do expect us to go into the previous all-time high level. So that's pretty much it for Tezos. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Make sure to check out ZT Global. There's a lot of different stuff here going on, crypto loans, leverage trading, and a lot of things that are there for, the average investor, but also for people that are in crypto for quite some time. And I do imagine there's some of you watching this video as well. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Lastly, I'm not a financial advisor, and anything you do invest in crypto, blockchain, or NFT projects is on your own liability, and you should do your own due diligence. So thank you all for joining in, and I will see you guys in the next one.